So by the title of this video, you can tell that today we're going to attempt to dye my hair copper. I've gone back and forth between wanting to go copper and wanting to go ginger. I got sizzling copper in the L'Oreal HiColor. We'll get to that in a second. So it's an experiment. We're gonna see. It's been probably over a year since I last dyed my hair, so you can see all of the red it's still there, but it always kind of fades into like this faded auburn brown. To me it looks like a burgundy brown, auburn brown. When you are coloring your hair, you want to make sure that it's old and it's not like still retwisted. So I'm about to just go in and spread all of them apart. I know that might look a little gross, but I'm going to spread the roots apart because I just don't want any patches. Because if you put color on top of hair that is still coiled up, you're going to get patches. I'm just taking them kind of out of that retwisted state that they're in. Okay, I think we're okay. Let's move. I already kind of set us up in the bathroom, but this is the colors we have. One box of the vanilla champagne. The rest of them are sizzling copper. My hair is long, so I have to get several boxes. I got 9 boxes of color, and I have all of these of developer. If you do 40 volume developer, you are pushing it. And then I got this bottle because my sister said it's easier to just squeeze the color into the bottle and then put it on that way versus trying to like paint it. I also want to show y'all what I will be washing with afterwards to wash the color out of my hair. So we're going to be using the low porosity weightless hydrating shampoo by Shea Moisture. Love Shea Moisture. Shea Moisture, make me a brand affiliate. Make me a brand affiliate. We also have the Intensive Hydration Conditioner by Shea Moisture. You need as much intensive hydration as possible. Obviously, you need to do Vaseline around the ears and the forehead. I remember when we were little and our moms used to give us perms and they would put like hella Vaseline like all over your neck and your ears, and you just be greased up, just greased up. Make sure you grease yourself up so you don't get color all over your face. I need to get a few more things in order, and I'm waiting on my sister to get here, and then we're gonna get started. So it looks like the color was before.
Yeah, it kind of does.
It doesn't look like a new red, does it?
No, not too much of a difference.
Yeah, it looks the exact same. Aww.
Probably have to lighten your hair some more for it to take. But let's just see how it looks once it's dry.
What?
Yeah, it's like a reddish brown.
Oh, that's Not what I was going for.
Right.
I'd rather be more red than brown. Yeah, it's giving brown.
Well, maybe it'll grow on you.
It's not actually, I'm disappointed.
Well, you can always put a rinse on top of it, make it more redder. The color is even, it looks good. Your sister did a good job.
It's not your fault, it's just the color. Like,
it ain't what you was expecting.
It didn't take, it's not what I wanted. Let me stand back here so y'all know I got a shirt on. So it has grown on me. Yeah, it didn't come out the color that I wanted it to be, but it's not bad. I mean, my hair was looking dusty and like crusty, so I needed to dye it anyway. So I'm still happy. It's just basically the same color that I always do. Like, I think to achieve the color of ginger that I want, I'm gonna have to bleach my hair, and I don't think I will ever bleach my hair. I've thought about it, but I don't think I'm gonna do that. Anyways, my camera's dying, so I have to go. I'm about to chill, order me some food, and retwist my hair. I will come back eventually to show y'all something, so just bear with me. Let me charge my camera and get some food, and then we'll be right back. Okay, I'm back, but I'm running late again. So this is what it looks like in natural lighting, which isn't that bad. You get some brassy reddish tones, but it still came out really good. My sister did a really good job. I'm so grateful that she is willing to do my hair for me every year, because I will be a mess trying to do it myself. I guess I'm just gonna be red for another year, but we're gonna go outside. Let's go outside. Better every time I do the lock bob on myself. I feel like I get better and better at it. Like, I feel like it just comes out better every time. Like, this time I did the side part and I just felt like it came out really cute. As usual, any comments, questions, or concerns, leave those down in the comment box. All products used today will be listed in my Amazon storefront under Loc must-haves. I think that's what the list is called. So make sure you look at the description box, click my Amazon storefront, everything will be listed there. If you aren't already subscribed, I'm not sure why you wouldn't be. Have a great weekend, happy Saturday. Bye.